So first of all, I'm going to add a sweep node here and not in here. And this sweep node, I'm going to put it on a ribbon. And you see it's going to make the ribbon like this. And I'm going to put the up vector in Y, which is going to be like this. I'm gonna make the columns just 1 and this width in 2. Very good. So now the number of flanks are a little bit much in my opinion, so I'm going to put another resample here. Resample, and this resample is going to, so by the way, I'm going to color my nodes so I can see them. In this, our resample is going to be, let's color it like this. Our resample is going to be maximum segments because I want to choose how many flanks we have. So 30 is a good number. Now we are going to make these flanks in individual. There are a lot of ways that you can do this thing, by the way, but I'm going to do it in this way. So we are going to put a facet node and make them unique points because I want them to be individually, scale them individually. If you say exploded view here, you see that they are now separated. If I disable this, they are just one. And let's put a primitive properties here and just do some scale. You see they are scaling, and I'm just doing it like this. But we can give the user this parameter. So I'm gonna copy this parameter here and paste relative reference to all of this channel. So when I move this, it changes. Okay. Nice. Then we are going to extrude them upwards. Extrude, poly extrude. Connect them, and with this, it's going to extrude our flanks. Now we have the base of our bridge. Okay. The next thing is I want to bevel them. You can bevel them if you want. You can do remesh, which we will do in future videos, but for now we are just going to make the base mesh of our bridge, and then we are going to make them like this. Now here's the thing, we can just, let's UV unwrap this thing. Let's see what happens if I UV this thing right now and UV flatten. Put a UV flatten here and a UV layout. UV flatten preserve sims. I'm gonna turn it on because we unwrapped it. And this and UV layout, it's okay. And then we are going to bevel them. So they're going to be already UV. We need the UV. You can do it or you cannot. You can do UV after all of this. It's up to you. But we are going to do it just like this for now. I'm gonna color this like this, and basically it's over for our flags. I'm gonna copy this now over here, already coming. Flanks. Okay. The next thing is we are going to do put some bricks at the end of each flank or at the end two sides of our bridge. And so let's do that. Let me select them all, hit L on the keyboard so they'll lay out it, Shift S to have a small curve. You can see the link is changing shape, and put a box around.